Hey everyone, it's Shelby. Welcome back to my channel. I have been MIA. I've gotten so many messages and well wishes, making sure that I'm okay. And I just want to let you know I'm okay. The boys had some downtime from college that Ken and I didn't even know about. And we decided to take advantage of that and spend the last week as a family doing stuff, just chilling around the house, watching movies, eating popcorn. We've just had a wonderful time with the boys. It's very seldom that they all have downtime at the same time. So we just jumped on it and took advantage of that. But I'm back. I'm actually at the grocery store. I ran out of bleach and I need to get some because I'm going to clean my kitchen today and tomorrow, like deep clean the kitchen. I do the Fly Lady method, and this week is the kitchen, and it needs it, let me tell you. Oh my gosh. But a lot of things going on. This week, Ken's been really, really busy on the homestead, and we have some exciting news. I haven't even told my brother, y'all. You're the first to know. Ken's thinking about going into the National Guard reserves for New York State. He had been in the military before. He was in the active army, and then he was in the Army Reserves. And he has, I think it's like 4 years maybe that he needs to do to actually retire from the military. It depends on how they count his years. He had some delayed entry, and I don't know if they're going to count that or not. But anyway, I was shocked, y'all, because the recruiter came to the house, and I was just like, oh my gosh, like one of my kids is signing up for the military. I was just like, which one did it, And it was Ken. Oh my gosh. But the recruiter was there for about 5 or 6 hours, and Ken has different MOSs, they call them. Those are jobs that they're qualified to do. During his time active duty and into the reserves, he had different MOSs. He was a supply sergeant. Every unit needs a supply sergeant. He was a range master armorer. Every unit needs a range master armorer. He also did protective services and had a pretty high secret, top secret, or it's, I don't know. There's top secret, and then there's just different levels of secret, top secret clearance, and I forget which one he had, but it was real intense. I remember that because we had just gotten married, and oh my gosh, like the application for that was quite lengthy. So I'm not sure what type of clearance you'll have to have. The recruiter wanted to put him into an intelligence unit, so if that's the case, it'll probably be something similar to the clearance he had when he was doing protective services. Let's see. So I don't really know like where he's going to go or anything like that. And I'm a little bit scared. I don't want him to get deployed. I mean, he's been in different places, when he was in the active duty. He was overseas in Europe, was stationed in Germany, and then he's gone all over the world in the reserves. And he was in Panama when Noriega was taken out of power, when the 82nd Airborne came in, and that was pretty sketchy. That was sketchy, let me tell you. He's been to Korea a few times. He's experienced a lot in the military, and then in his profession as a law enforcement for 31 years. So I don't worry about him per se. I mean, we both have our belief system in the Lord, and so I mean, I need to support him, and it's something he wants to do. It's a goal he's had for a long time. He's talked about it, finishing up his military career. It's a goal he's had for a long time. He stopped when the kids were babies. He felt that it was too great of a risk, and he wanted to be there with them as their dad. But this is a personal goal for him, so I'm going to support him. But y'all say a prayer for me as well as Ken. And hopefully he'll pass the physical part, no problem. I don't think he'll have any issue with it. He just recently, just before he retired, went through the sheriff physical, no problems, I don't know, they do so many push-ups and sit-ups and running and all that stuff. He doesn't have any issues with that. Let's see. Oh, his weight, he's 7 pounds overweight to make his military weight. So for the next 4 weeks, we're going to be doing keto just to get the water, even if it's water or whatever. He just needs to lose a few pounds. And I think it'll be really good to jumpstart me because I want to get back on Weight Watchers. I love Weight Watchers. But I'm going to do keto with Ken for 4 weeks. And that's when he has his weigh-in scheduled. They weighed him yesterday, and they also taped him. When they taped him, his BMI was fine to pass, but he just wants to be sure. So I'm going to support him in this, and it'll jumpstart me too. You know, I'll feel better, and I can get back on Weight Watchers and just continue through the winter. I need to do that, obviously, because I have been a bad girl since my mom passed. Anyway, okay, so that's what's going on with Ken. We have to go, I think, Monday to Albany to the VA Veterans Affairs Department and get a complete copy of his VA records. And I think that's about it. I think we have turned everything else in. And he has a scar that he got when he was a kid, and the military is really strict now. He'll have to get clearance from the medical doctor, the military medical doctor, but I mean, he hasn't had any problems with that. So, but we have to go through that process, and that takes about 10 days. So probably within a month, we should know, like, was he accepted and where he's stationed or where he's going to be drilling out of and what unit he's been placed in. So say a prayer for me. Keep me in your prayers. Keep Ken in your prayers. We've been busy this week. I have to tell you, when I post my weekly vlog, you'll see all the things we've been up to. It's amazing what we've accomplished this week. We're going to go to New York City. I haven't told you guys this. In 4 weeks. Oh, this is going to be great because I really would love to lose a few pounds before I go to New York City. We're going with a couple that is our best friends. They're coming from California. They're going to stay at our house for a couple days, and then we're going to go to New York City for a couple days, and then we're going to drop them off at the Albany airport, and they're going back home. And it's Ken's best friend. I love him like a brother. I love his wife. I love his kids. I love his dog. I love their whole family. And I'm so excited they're coming. So I've been getting together a little wardrobe. I've ordered some stuff from Macy's. I should share that with you guys, my Macy haul. I'm trying to get a couple of day outfits for New York City and a couple evening outfits for New York City. And maybe something really comfortable to travel in because we're going to drive. Excuse me. We're going to drive. And I just had a soda. It's getting to me. Excuse me. But we're going to drive, so I want to wear something really comfortable. I might get some yoga pants and like just a t-shirt or something. I don't know, but there's a few more items I need to get for my little New York wardrobe, and one of them is a really nice baby cashmere sweater and a pair of ankle boots. And I think that's pretty much it. I'll be set for that little adventure. But I can't wait because Jason and Jackie are so much fun, and I just love them so much, and I haven't seen them in a while. So we got that going on. That'll be next month, and that'll probably be about the time that Ken's finding out, you know, if he's actually been accepted and what unit he's going to. And so yeah, the keto thing will be good for me because then I'll fit better into my clothes. And let's see what else is going on. Oh my gosh, all of the fall leaves, they're changing colors. It's so beautiful here. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous, you guys. I'm gonna try to get some pictures on the way home from the store here. I'm gonna run in and get some bleach. That's the only thing I need to get. I need to do my fly lighting cleaning for the week. It's probably going to take me all day today and tomorrow to get my kitchen spotless. That's what we're focused on this week. And I'm going to clean it from top to bottom. I want to get that done. And I need bleach. So I'm going to run in the store, get some bleach. And then on the way home, I'll try to get you some pictures of the fall colors. So beautiful. I have a Macy's haul for you guys. The first item is a winter jacket, 50% off, so I love that. DKNY, and it's gonna be perfect for New York City for daytime. All the walking around we're gonna do. I'll be warm. I love the attention to detail. It's so soft around the collar. It has a hood, faux fur. I mean, even the detail around the wrists. I mean, I'm gonna be toasty in this jacket. And I really like, it has the black buttons, so I won't have to change purses. I can keep the same purse through the whole trip, not having to change wallets and all that stuff. To go with the jacket, I bought a pair of boyfriend jeans. It has the cute little cuff at the bottom, and this shirt here has the jewel neckline. I love the sleeves. Look at those. So cute. And it's lightweight enough, because I think with the jacket I'm going to be plenty warm enough, so I wanted something lightweight. And I think what I'm going to look for is a pair of black leather ankle boots, something with a low heel that'll be really comfortable for walking. I thought I'd use the same jacket, pair it up with a pair of really thick leggings. They go all the way down full length, and maybe get like a really pretty black sweater or like an oatmeal color sweater. I don't know. I need to get some kind of sweatery kind of thing, but not too thick. And I can wear the ankle boots with that too. I bought a new pair of workout pants. They are so cute on, and then the matching top. I might wear this coming home from New York City, so I'll be really comfortable for the drive. As far as evening wear, this is one of the dresses that I bought. Look at the sleeves. Beautiful. Jewel neckline. It has the A-line, very flattering. And I'm gonna wear it with, I have some black shoes that will go with my black purse. That way I don't have to change purses out. I think this would be wonderful for one night going out to dinner. And then I have this dress that I got to go to that wedding this summer. I'm gonna wear this because we're going to Ruth Chris Steakhouse one night while we're there. And I'm recycling this dress, I'm gonna wear it. It's so cute. As far as purses, I'm gonna take my Kate Spade purse. Some of you guys might remember when Ken and I were driving back last Christmas from California, I stopped at the outlet store and I got this purse and matching wallet, and it was on sale. It was such a good value. I love the size of this purse. It's gonna go with that jacket. It has the black buttons. I'll get a pair of black ankle boots. During the daytime, it'll look really sharp. And then at nighttime, I can just take my wallet if I want to. It'll be fine. So that is the purse I'm gonna pack on this vacation, this little mini vacation next month. I lit a candle called Pure Linen. It smells so good. Now I need to get the kitchen cleaned. It's probably gonna take me the rest of the today and a good part of tomorrow, because it really needs a good scrub down. But that's what I'm gonna get busy doing today. And until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later. You guys have a wonderful weekend. I'll try to get my weekly vlog out on Sunday and like fill you in on everything else that's been going on around here. All right, guys, talk to you later. Take care.